Good morning, children. Children, today our topic is word problem sums. Okay, page number 111 in the book, that is maths book, visualizing maths book. Example 1. A man bought 58 eggs, 12 of them fell and broke. How many eggs were left? See, children, there were 58 eggs and 12 of them fell and broke. That means 12 are not there now. So 8 minus 2 is 6 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 58 minus 12 is equal to 46. 46 eggs were left. See here, there were 58 but now only 46 are left because we have removed these 12 eggs. Why? Because it was broken. Example 2. Mudit sold 60 toys on Monday. On Tuesday, he sold 25 less toys than Monday. How many toys did he sell on Tuesday? So 60 minus 25 is equal to 35. This is the comparison, that is Monday and Tuesday. On Monday, he sold 60 and on Tuesday, he sold 25 less than 60. So it was not total 60, that is why. How many toys did he sell on Tuesday? For that, to bring the answer, you have to subtract. Mudit sold 35 toys on Tuesday. Let's grow with values. Tisha planted 20 mango trees. Her father planted 21 mango and 34 guava trees. It is mango trees and guava trees. And her brother Pranay planted 32 guava trees. Question 1. How many trees did Tisha plant? Tisha planted 20 mango trees. Clear? So I wrote here 20. How many less trees did Tisha plant than her brother? Now the comparison is between Tisha and her brother. Tisha planted 20 and her brother planted 32. So from greater number we will subtract smaller number. We wanted to know how many less she planted. So 32 minus 20. 2 minus 0 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So she planted 12 less trees than her brother. How many more guava trees did her father plant than her brother? Now the comparison is in between father and her brother. So first we will add father's trees. So it is 21 mango trees and 34 guava trees. So first we will add these two. Okay, so I have given it here 21 plus 34. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 3 is 5. So her father planted 55 trees and her brother 32. So if you wanted to know the comparison between father and brother, how many trees did her father plant than her brother? So we will subtract 55 minus 32. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 23 more guava trees her father planted. Clear? Why do you think trees are important for us? Children, you can write your own answer also. I have given this answer. If you want to write this, you can write this. Otherwise, your own sentence you can write. Trees give us clean air to breathe, fruits, food, shade and shelter. All these things trees give us. Clear? So, it is very important to plant trees. Let's practice 3. First one. Karan bought 38 chocolates to distribute in his class on his birthday. 4 of his classmates were absent. How many chocolates did he distribute in the class? See, children, whenever you will see subtraction sums, you will always see opposite things are happening in that. Like Karan bought 38 chocolates and 4 children of his classmates were absent. That means how many are present and how many are absent. Present and absent, two words are there. Clear? So 38 students were there and 4 out of 38, 4 were absent. So 8 minus 4 is 4 and 3 minus 0 is 3. Karan distributed 34 chocolates in the class. Come to next page. Here some more problem sums given. Question number 2. There were 67 passengers in a bus. At a bus stop, 14 of them got down. How many passengers were left in the bus? You will have to write 67 minus 14 here. Do the sum and fill the answer here. Third one, there are 71 cookies in a jar. Juhi ate 5 out of them. How many cookies were left in the jar? Again you will write here 71 minus 5 and bring the answer. Class 2 of a school has 76 students. Class 1 of the school has 82 students. How many more students does class 1 have than class 1? Again there is comparison. So here children, greater number will always come on top. Your sum will be 82 minus 76. So 82 will be on top, 82 minus 76. Clear children? Complete this. Come to the next. Here the classwork. You have to write in maths classwork notebook number 5, chapter 7, subtraction part 3. Word problem sums. Rani baked 56 cupcakes. She sold 27 cupcakes. How many cupcakes are left with Rani? So the sentence will be, here 56 is there. What is 56? Cupcakes. Whose? Rani. What Rani did? Rani baked. So Rani baked cupcakes. This will be the first statement. This is called statement. You have to read the problem and write the statement. Rani baked cupcakes is equal to, you have to write here 56. Then what happened? She sold 27 cupcakes. She sold means she was selling the cupcakes. She sold cupcakes is equal to, here you will have to write 27. Cupcakes are left with Rani. Now how many cupcakes are left with Rani? Left. Clear? So here you have to subtract. So you will subtract and write the answer here. You have to draw the lines when you are subtracting. Please be very careful while doing all this. Here starting letter should be capital. You have started the third statement with from here, this cupcakes. Here it is small, but you have to start with a capital letter and end with an equals to sign. I am going to cut marks for this. There were 42 frogs on a log. 16 frogs jumped into the water. How many frogs are left on the log? Frogs on a log. This will be the first statement. Frogs on a log. Frogs jumped into the water and frogs are left on the log. All the three statements are here only. You have to just copy down. While copying, don't copy the wrong spelling. Clear? Start with a capital letter and end with an equals to sign. Here you will do the sum, solve it and then write the answer. Minus sign should be there. Clear children? Okay children, complete and send this classwork to me for the correction. Is it clear? Thank you children. Have a nice day.